Have you finished all of your holiday shopping? If not, there's still time, but not much. Have a vegetarian or vegan loved one in your life and don't know what to get them for the holidays? Then watch this short video for some gift ideas any vegetarian or vegan would love. For the best and up-to-date vegetarian information, including yummy recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Meatless Monday. Buying gifts should not be stressful, but somehow, some way, the mere act of thinking of the perfect gift for your loved one may give you a headache. And if you are anything like me, I don't like to shop, so that makes matters even worse. And then you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, what am I going to get my vegan best friend for the holidays? If you are fresh out of ideas or just don't know what to do, here are 5 ideas for the vegetarian or vegan in your life. Gift idea number 5, vegetarian and vegan cookbook. Cookbooks are a great way to help your loved one in the kitchen. Even if they're not a cooker or don't like to cook, having 1 or 2 cookbooks handy, I swear it's not a bad idea. I also love how these cookbooks are made to meet your vegetarian or vegan friend no matter where they are on their journey. From newbies to vets to foodies to cooks, there is something for everyone. Here are just a few cookbook recommendations to get you started. The Super Easy Vegan Slow Cooker. The 30-Minute Vegetarian Cookbook. 100 healthy, delicious meals for busy people. Love real food. More than 100 feel-good vegetarian favorites to delight the senses and nourish the body. Oh, how nice. Gift idea number 4, cooking and food subscription services. Time is of the essence these days, and if the vegetarian or vegan in your life doesn't have time to cook from scratch, there are so many options. With the popularity of plant-based living increasing, more cooking subscription services are taking notice and offering better and healthier vegetarian and vegan options. There are even companies that specialize in and only offer vegetarian or vegan cuisines. And if you want to help your vegetarian or vegan of your life save even more time in the kitchen, catch this. Try getting them a prepared meal subscription where they don't even have to cook. They just heat and eat. What? You can try Freshly, which offers vegetarian prepared meals, Purple Carrot that has vegetarian and vegan meal plans, and Blue Apron, which offers a decent amount of vegetarian options. Gift idea number 3, food bundle from Brandless. Brandless makes stuff that makes life better. Their entire food assortment is non-GMO and over half is certified organic. All of Brandless food is made without any synthetic preservatives, colors, or flavors. Sounds like a winner to me. I think this is a cute idea because you can curate this box based on what you know about your loved one, and I am sure they will appreciate the time you take to hand select what they will get in their Brandless box. And it gets even better. You can earn $10 that can be used towards a future purchase by using the link below to purchase your food bundle from Brandless for your plant-based towel. And I get $10 too. It's a win-win for everybody. Here are a few items you can include in your loved one's food bundle. Dark chocolate covered quinoa bites. Cinnamon and sugar sweet potato crisps. Lightly salted roasted green peas. Organic dried mangoes, organic unflavored plant proteins. These are quick and tasty gifts that can be enjoyed at home or great for lunches or snacks on the go, because we all need to eat healthy on the go. Holidays are not intended to be stressful, but somehow, some way, millions of people end up stressed and even depressed during the holidays. So let's take a moment to reflect on the positive. What is your fondest holiday memory? Share your story in the comments below. Remember, your comment qualifies you to enter our cookbook giveaway. Gift idea number 2, Veg News annual subscription. I am a firm believer that knowledge is power and is key to living a happy, healthy, and fulfilled vegetarian life. There are so many resources available today, from blogs, cookbooks, videos, meetup groups, and let's not forget about magazines. Yes, they still exist, and there are some great ones out there. Veg News is your ultimate source for all things vegan. Buying a subscription of Veg News for your vegetarian or vegan in your life comes with both a print and digital magazine. Not only does the Veg News cover the latest trends and news from the plant-based industry, but they also create some pretty tasty vegan recipes. Gift idea number 1, vegan cuts. Have you ever heard of vegan cuts? If not, prepare to be amazed. Vegan Cuts offers subscription boxes that help vegans, vegetarians, and foodies discover the most exciting new products from new and established brands. If a company mission is important to you before you spend your money with a company, well, Vegan Cuts' mission is pretty straightforward: to celebrate the vegan lifestyle regardless of how you live it and bring you vegan products you can trust. Their team focuses on offering 3 different types of boxes: snack box, beauty box, or makeup box. With these options, you are bound to find the perfect gift for your peeps on your nice list. Now, baked goods is also a nice, sweet gift idea. It comes from the heart, and you can really put your foot in it. Need baking inspiration for a gift idea? Check out my vegan pumpkin pecan cinnamon bread video recipe by clicking the link below. Now, don't you just love thinking of others and putting a smile on their face? Here's another small gift you can share with them. I have written a vegetarian cookbook titled 10 Delicious Meat-Free Dishes to help you or the vegetarian or vegan in your life cook and enjoy more plant-based foods. Simply visit the link below to claim your copy or share the link below with your flexitarian, vegetarian, or vegan friends. Also, if you want to join a community of other peeps who are on their personal vegetarian and vegan journey just like you, join us on our Facebook page where I share up-to-date vegetarian news and other information to help you navigate all things plant-based related. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share it with your fellow vegetarians, vegans, or flexitarians. And of course, comment below with helpful comments or let me know if there are other recipes you would like to see. And here's the tips, techniques, and tools to help a vegetarian like you. Until next time, take care.